Hi, this is a quick demo of ElevenLabs. I will quickly explain what ElevenLabs is, how it works, how you can clone a voice and instantly use that cloned voice, what are the dangers of such a service, the use cases, and a quick comment on the pricing of the service. Okay, so you might have heard of ElevenLabs already. Just to give you a very brief overview, it's a generative voice AI tool. What you can do is you can upload a voice sample from you or from anyone you have the permission from, and instantly clone the voice and then use ElevenLabs to generate an audio file in 27 languages with a text you provide. So I prepared a quick demo. So I'm here logged in ElevenLabs, and as you can see, I'm here at the Voice Lab section dashboard. I click on Add Generative Voice, and what I'm showcasing here in this quick demo is the instant voice cloning. I'm calling this YouTube demo 2. Click on record audio. Now I'm opening a short text fragment on my phone I'm going to read. Allow browser to record. Prototype at the speed of thought. How AI is changing the game for creators. Most product ideas die on the backlog because we can't find the time, lack the skills, or fail to get others excited about them. But thanks to AI, that no longer has to be the case. Product builders, project managers, DevOps managers, and simply creators of all kinds can turn a napkin sketch into a clickable prototype within hours. So I recorded something for ElevenLabs. You can see it here. I could upload more or record more audio, but I'm fine with it. I can describe the voice so I later know what this voice is about. This is especially useful if you don't do it for you, but for others. And hereby I confirm that I have all the necessary rights to consent. I click yes and say add voice. It immediately shows up here. So you see here YouTube demo 2. And I could later edit it, remove it, of course. So when I click edit, I could add more voice samples. In my case, I want to just do a quick demo and click on use. So, and I ended up at this creator screen. As you can see here, I can switch between text to speech or speech to speech. I want to stay on text to speech right now, which is the main service ElevenLabs gets used for. And yeah, and you can see down here, there's the exact same text I just recorded for ElevenLabs, so we can compare. So I now click on generate. And as soon as the AI voice is recorded, it starts playing down here at the player. It should just take a few seconds. Or a few more seconds.
Prototype at the speed of thought. How AI is changing the game for creators. Most product ideas die on the backlog because we can't find the time, lack the skills, or fail to get others excited about them. But thanks to AI, that no longer has to be the case. Product builders, project managers, DevOps managers, and simply creators of all kinds can turn a napkin sketch into a clickable prototype within hours.
So this doesn't sound very much like me. As you can hear, I'm not a native English speaker. ElevenLabs completely removed my English accent. So if that's your goal, that's possible. And you can also play around with these voice settings. So you have stability, clarity and similarity, style aggregation, and speaker boost, which is a default setting that is on. It says boost the similarity of the synthesized speech and the voice at the cost of some generation speed. And you can always switch back to default. On the right-hand side, you can see the previous attempts. So you can always download and use the file anywhere else and import it to any audio editing console you work with, whatever you like to do. So ElevenLabs has way more features, but this is basically the core feature that you can instantly use as a creator without the need to code anything. It's really astonishing how well it works. And also for voices, you can add as many as you want. You can organize them here and remove them at a later time. So going back here, so what is the potential misuse? Right now, you could download a voice sample from Joe Biden, Arnold Schwarzenegger, whoever you want to use as a cloned voice. And that, of course, creates lots of dangers, especially in an election year. So faking politician speeches and so on is all possible by just clicking this checkbox. But let's talk about the good stuff you can do. You can scale your audio production. So you can turn your all your written content into audio content in 27 languages. That is really huge. And you can do that with a voice that sounds like you. You can create podcast ads, audiobooks, turn a blog post into an audio file, whatever you want to do, you can do it and scale up the production with ElevenLabs. Pricing is quite friendly. For a few bucks a month, you get the feature to instantly clone voices. Yeah, and I think it's a great tool. It's still early on. The ElevenLabs, I think I discovered it 1 or 2 years ago. They added lots of features. The audio quality got way better. If you want to turn your written content into audio content, go check it out. In the description of this video, you will see a written version of this YouTube video. So it's leading to a blog post where you can play the audio samples again side by side.